Thank you very much, Honorable Minister and esteemed guests. I would request everyone, please rise in respect of both countries. Thank you very much. Please be seated. Thank you. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद यहाँहरूलाई.
Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, नेपाली समुदायका विशिष्ट महानुभावहरू, आदरणीय नेपाली दाजुभाइ तथा दिदीबहिनीहरू, नमस्ते, Assalamu alaikum and warm greetings to everyone here. It is a great honor for me to be a part of the Nepal Festival 2025 in the United Arab Emirates. I extend my sincere thanks to the government of UAE for granting us the opportunity to organize this event in this beautiful city, Dubai, known for its diversity, tolerance and progress. I want to express some words from my native language. आदरणीय दिदीबहिनी दाजुभाइहरू, आज हामीहरू UAE को दुबईमा यो भव्य समारोहमा उपस्थित भएका छौं. मेरो विचारमा यहाँ हामीहरूले नेपालीको एकता देखाइरहेका छौं. यहाँ हामी हाम्रो संस्कृति, हाम्रो मौलिकता जोगाउने उद्देश्यले उपस्थित भएका छौं. मान्छेको पहिचान उसको मौलिकतासँग जोडिएको हुन्छ. त्यसैले हामीले हाम्रो मौलिकता जोगाउनका निम्ति जहाँ भए पनि हामीले कोसिस गरिरहेको प्रमाण आज यहाँ देखिरहेको छ. आदरणीय दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरू, म अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु कि हामी यहाँ आज यत्रो ठुलो संख्यामा उपस्थित भएर दुबईमा भएका सबै नेपालीहरू एकीकृत छन्. दुबईमा भएका सबै नेपालीहरू संगठित छन्. दुबईमा भएका सबै समुदाय मिलेर बसेको एउटा उदाहरण यहाँ प्रस्तुत भएको छ। मेरो विचारमा अब यो फेस्टिभल यो सुरुवात मात्रै हो, यो अन्त्य होइन। त्यसैले हरेक वर्ष नयाँ वर्षको प्रारम्भमा नेपाली दूतावासको संयोजनमा गैर आवासीय नेपाली र नेपालीहरूको आयोजनामा यसरी सधैँभरि फेस्टिभल हुनेछ। आगामी वर्षहरूमा पनि यसले निरन्तरता पाउनेछ भन्ने मैले विश्वास लिएको छु। म दूतावासलाई आभार प्रकट गर्न चाहन्छु, नेपाली समुदायलाई आभार प्रकट गर्न चाहन्छु, जसले संस्कृति, मौलिकता र पहिचान जोगाउनका निम्ति, नेपालीहरूलाई सङ्गठित गर्नका निम्ति यो ढङ्गको कार्यक्रम राख्नु भएको छ। यसबाट मलाई लाग्छ संसारभरि सबै नेपालीले सिक्ने स्थिति बनेको छ। यसले नेपाललाई पनि एउटा उदाहरण प्रस्तुत गरेको छ। तपाईहरुको एकताका निम्ति, तपाईहरुको मौलिकता प्रतिको प्रतिबद्धताका निम्ति म स्यालुट व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। मेरो विचारमा युएईले प्रगति गरेको उसले आफ्नो आर्थिक स्रोतलाई पहिचान गरेर हो। हामीहरूले पनि हाम्रो आर्थिक स्रोतलाई पहिचान गर्न सक्नुपर्छ। हाम्रो आर्थिक स्रोत के हो त्यसलाई पहिचान गरेर त्यो स्रोतलाई हामीले प्रयोग गर्ने गरी अगाडि बढ्न सक्नुपर्छ। त्यस निम्ति सम्पूर्ण नेपालीहरूले सहकार्य गर्न जरुरी छ। यहाँ तपाईले काम गर्दा बटुल्नु भएको अनुभव, तपाईले अध्ययन गर्दा प्राप्त गर्नु भएको ज्ञान, सिप सबैलाई हामीले नेपाल निर्माणका निम्ति प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुपर्छ। म अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु, तपाई जहाँ भए पनि नेपालसँग जोडिन खोजिरहनु भएको छ, नेपालसँग सजिलो गरी जोडिने स्थिति निर्माण गर्नका निम्ति हामीले पहल गर्ने अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु। स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्रमा थुप्रै समस्याहरू छन्। त्यो समस्याहरू हल गर्नका निम्ति हामीले बिमालाई प्रभावकारी बनाउनका निम्ति कोसिस गरिरहेका छौं। तपाईहरु यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ, तपाईहरुको परिवार नेपालमै छ, तपाईको आमा बुबा नेपालमै हुनुहुन्छ। उपयुक्त उपचार प्राप्त नगरेर धेरै खालको कठिनाइहरू भइरहेको स्थिति हुन सक्छ। यति धेरै नेपालीको उपस्थिति रहेको यो अवसरमा म अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु कि हामीले नयाँ बिमा प्रणालीको प्रस्ताव गरेका छौं। त्यो बिमा प्रणालीमा देश बाहिर रहनुभएका नेपाली, देशभित्र रहनुभएका सबै नेपालीलाई जोडेर सबैको सहयोगका निम्ति म विनम्रतापूर्वक अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु। नेपाललाई हामी सबैले मिलेर बनाउन जरुरी छ। कयौं कमी कमजोरी र समस्याहरू छन्, त्यसलाई सुधारेर अगाडि बढ्न जरुरी छ। दुबईमा यहाँको बसाई पक्कै पनि केही कठिनाइ युक्त हुन सक्छ, तर नेपालीको एकताले त्यसलाई सहज बनाउनेछ। यही अनुरोध गर्दै यहाँहरूको सम्पूर्ण सफलताको निम्ति शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। नयाँ वर्ष 2022 को हार्दिक मङ्गलमय शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दै नेपाली दूतावास र एनआरएन यो दुबईलाई म हार्दिक आभार प्रकट गर्दै हाम्रो मौलिकता, हाम्रो संस्कृति, हाम्रो सभ्यता, हाम्रो भाषा, हाम्रो पहिचान जोगाउने सन्दर्भमा यसरी नै एकताबद्ध भएर अगाडि बढ्नुहुनेछ भन्ने विश्वास राख्दै सबैलाई हार्दिक शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दै बिदा चाहन्छु। धन्यवाद। जय नेपाल, जय नेपाली।
Thank you, Tilji. Honorable Shri Pradeep Paudel-ji, Minister of Health and Population of Nepal, our chief guest today, respected guest of honor, excellencies, distinguished guests, dear friends of Nepal, journalists, fellow Nepalese brothers and sisters, Namaste, good evening, and Assalamu alaikum. It is my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to the first ever Nepal Festival 2025 Dubai. May I take this opportunity to heartily welcome the Honorable Minister of Health and Population of Nepal and the guest of honor and excellencies, and thank you all for your gracious presence. I am delighted to address this event organized to celebrate first ever Nepal Festival 2025 in GCC region, and I thank all the organizers for to be a part of this event. The motto of this festival is our culture, our tradition, and our pride. Today, our community have tried to project the Nepali culture in Dubai through this event. Nepal is a small country by population about 30 million. It has diverse population with 125 ethnic groups and languages. We Nepalese from all ethnicities and backgrounds are coming together to celebrate this special day. Nepal ancient tradition, cultural showcases depicted art, cuisine, live music, folk song, traditional dances, ethnic groups, attires, and many more today. Hope you will all enjoy the uniqueness of our culture today. I would like to take this occasion to commend and thank the organizers, especially Nepal Non-Resident Nepali Association, Nepali Samaj, Nepali Indigenous Federation UAE, other Nepali organizations, and Nepali sisters and brothers for taking the initiative in bringing, organizing an active participation in this wonderful event. I am confident that this event will further strengthen to promote people-to-people relations between the two countries, which is a vital link of our bilateral relations. I would also like to thank to the UAE government for their unwavering cooperation and support to success this event. Distinguished guests, I would like to thank the UAE government for its commitment towards encouraging values of inclusion, tolerance, and existence and mutual understanding among people residing in the UAE. More than 200 nationalities are living happily in the UAE, and among them, residing peacefully and happily are Nepali people as well. Nepal and UAE share similar values of mutual respect, social inclusion, religious tolerance, and cultural freedom. I would like to acknowledge the inspiring vision of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the UAE and Government of the UAE, has declared 2025 as the year of community under the unifying slogan Hand in Hand. This powerful initiative resonates deeply with Nepal's own value of togetherness, cultural pride, and shared progress. The UAE has been working tirelessly to strengthen social bonds and sustainable development. Nepal to thrive when its communities stand united. The UAE's year of community reminds us progress flourishes when we stand together. Whether in the deserts of the UAE or the mountains of Nepal, the message is clear: when we join hands, we build a stronger future. Last and not the least, it is important for us that all of your presence in the Nepali festival is not only build confidence, encourage and help to integrate Nepalese diaspora to the UAE society, as well as to promote Nepali culture and Nepal effectively in the UAE. Also further strengthening bilateral relations between Nepal and the UAE. We are grateful and thank to the government of the United Arab Emirates for their continued support, cooperation and trust extended to the Nepali community. I would also like to extend thanks to more than 500,000 Nepali nationals for choosing their working and doing business in the UAE and adhering to laws, regulations, values and traditions of the host country. To conclude, Janani Janma Bhumistha Swarga Dapi Garesi, mother and motherland are greater than heaven. We will march ahead, soldier to soldier, as one to accomplish our familiar ancestral duty to the motherland. Ladies and gentlemen, I also express my sincere wishes to a happy Nepali New Year 2082. Thank you so much for your kind attention. आदरणीय दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरू तपाईहरुलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ। यसै गरेर आज जुन तपाईहरुले एकदमै राम्रो सँग चाहिँ अनुशासित भई हाम्रो नेपालीको परिचय दिनुभएको छ, त्यसको लागि म हार्दिक धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। साथै तपाईहरुले हामीलाई आफ्नो देशको माया गरेर आफ्नो व्यस्त समयलाई बिताएर पनि आउनु भएको छ, त्यसको लागि पनि म हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त गर्दछु। र आगामी दिनमा पनि तपाईहरुले यसै गरी हामी नेपाली र चाहिँ नेपालको माया तथा हामी दूतावास र तपाईहरु सँगै मिलेर यस्तै किसिमका कार्यक्रम गर्नेछौँ, त्यसको लागि हार्दिक धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्दछु। धन्यवाद। थ्यांक यू सो मच।
Til Sonarji, Honorable Chief Minister for Health and Population, Mr. Pradeep Paudel, His Excellency Mr. Tej Bahadur Chhetri, Ambassador of Nepal to the UAE, Your Excellencies, the distinguished guests, member of the Nepali diaspora, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste and warm greeting to all of you. Salam alaikum, good evening. It fills my heart with pride and joy to be standing here with you today at Nepal Festival 2025, a celebration of our identity, our culture, and our vibrant community. The festival is not just an event, it is a reflection of our deep love for Nepal, no matter where we are in the world. I take the opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Embassy of Nepal, Abu Dhabi, for its continuously guidance and support for the initiation for the event, event to present day. I would also like to express my heartfelt appreciation to the government of the United Arab Emirates and all this Dubai municipality and all the legal entity. The encouragement of we have received from our host country reflects to its respect diversity. I take this moment to extend my deepest gratitude to our dedicated team, volunteer, artists, title sponsors, and every individual who contribute to make this beautiful gathering possible. Your passion and hard work have made this festival truly special. Nepal Festival is more than just music, food, and dance. It's a bridge between generations, between our heritage and the future, between Nepal and the world. It showcases the richness of our tradition and the warmth of our people. It reminds us that thought we have in different corners in the globe, our roots remain strongly and deeply connected to our motherland. As a president of Non-Residents Nepali Association NRNNCC UAE, I am proud of how our community continues to shine in every part of the world, whether through the business, academics, arts, or social works. Nepali abroad are making an unity and strength. This year's festival also carries a deeper message that our holding on to our values, language, and tradition give us a purpose and pride. Let us teach our children not just where we came from, but why it matters. The Non-Residents Nepali Association NRNA was founded with the vision of uniting Nepali across the globe, and today that vision has flourished into the powerful reality. We are global family of professional entrepreneurs, students, and dreamers, all workers in diverse fields, but bounded by a common thread. our love of Nepal. We also have a role to play, not just in preserving culture, but in shaping the future of Nepal. Let us continue to support development back home through the investment, innovation and collaboration. Let to be bridge that concern Nepal to global opportunities. Before concluding, I like to once again express my sincere thanks all those who directly and indirectly supported in organizing this event. I am equally grateful to each one of you in the audience for being here and making this celebration special with your presence. Thank you everyone. Let's us celebrate today with joy in our heart and pride in our culture. Let us dance, eat, laugh. Thank you, thank you. अन्त्यमा म सम्पूर्ण नेपाली दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई नयाँ वर्ष 2082 को हार्दिक मङ्गलमय शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दै सबैजना एकदम सबैसँग बसेर यो राम्रोसँग यो प्रोग्राम हेरेर मनोरञ्जन लिएर एउटा हिस्ट्री क्रिएट गर्नुहुने दिन भन्न चाहन्छु र अन्त्यमा यो अभियानमा नेपाल फेस्टिभलमा विगत 4 महिनादेखि लागि परेर सहयोग गर्नुहुने सम्पूर्ण सहयोगदाताहरू स्पेशली महामहिम राजदूत तेजबहादुर छेत्रीज्यूलाई मैले यही मञ्चबाट थ्याङ्क यू भन्न चाहन्छु र त्यस्तै मेरो ब्याक एन्डमा बस्ने मेरो टिम एनसीसी लगायत नेपाली समाज बिजनेस काउन्सिल जनजाति महासंघ र सम्पूर्ण सङ्घ संस्थाहरूलाई र मेरो मुटुमा बसेर यस अभियानमा सहयोग गर्ने मिस्टर ड्यान परियारलाई पनि हृदयदेखि धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्दै म यो कार्यक्रम औपचारिक यही घोषणा भएको भन्दै र अब को कार्यक्रम साङ्गीतिकमय हुनेछ भन्दै मेरो भनाइ यही अन्त्य गर्दछु। जय नेपाली फेस्टिभल, जय नारायण। एकचोटि ताली बजाइदिनुहोस्।